So the first program that I was involved in was Summit Credit Services, and I have benefited greatly from that. I've worked with Alan directly, and we've been working on getting my credit score up, and it's a great service to work with. Also, the newest service that we have is the PYP affiliate, which is Protecting Your Poverty. And we have just launched that. We're still technically in the pre-launch, and I see great things. In high school, I learned nothing about money management, how to make budgets, what car loans you should get, anything like that. Coming into adulthood, we were blind. And just coming in as an employee and then getting onto the programs, it has helped me start budgeting and my credit score go up. Also, making sure that collections is a bad thing and we need to not let our debts go to collections.
So why would you recommend Endeavor?
I would recommend Endeavor for many reasons. It has helped me personally with just helping me stay on a budget and having an analyst there to say, you know what, you're doing great. Let's just change this one little thing. Let's just save a little bit more. And also working on debt and just getting me out of debt. And even if you just have a little bit of debt or a lot of debt, it doesn't matter what you have, they can help you, and they are very, very knowledgeable. And I greatly recommend this company because you will see a difference and you will see a change in your financial life.